every time environment is mentioned, I always remember during Sendong, when it came in the middle of the night, the adversaries of Mayor Dongkoy used Sendong for political gains. They were short of saying that Dongkoy killed all those who perished in Sendong. They were really trying to put blood in Dad's hands. They even accused him that he stole from the donations that was given to the city of Cagayan de Oro. Sad, my dad is not anymore here to defend himself. Patay na akong papa, di na makapanalipod para siyang kaugalingon. Pero kung tinuod nga nagkawat o nangawat sa donasyon, nga anong hangtod karon, namatay na lang akong papa, wa may bisag ko sa kakaso nga ilang napasaka. Bahin sa Sendong. Why? They use it for political advantage to grab victory. And they were successful. But this I can ask them. During my dad's, when he was alive, Sendong passed through the rivers of Cagayan de Oro and passed through the neighboring rivers. Today, Mayor Pompey, Vice Mayor Bebot, wala na nag-agi ang inyong baha sa suba na nasa highway di asimkit kay muna nga diferensya kung bago ilang gisulti. They promised to change the city. What have they done? Gamay taliti ba sa inyo?